Hey guys, welcome back to another Z-Bolt unboxing, and we now have just a quick discussion on each of these Redmi Airdots, Haylou GT1 and S1D. Of course, this is not a full review, but I just like to discuss my current findings on these three. So currently for me, my favorite is the S1D right off the bat, and the Haylou GT1 is next, and the Redmi is the last. Actually, they're all pretty good sounding on the air, so anybody can pick this up and just enjoy the sound. But for me, the S1D is the best sounding for me off the lot. So from the Redmi Airdots, I find the mids a bit too muffled and too hollow compared to the Haylou GT1. Also, the Redmi Airdots has a peak on top. So actually, it sounds shimmery, it sounds lively, exciting. But moving to the Haylou GT1, the peak is a bit more toned down and the vocals are better in the Haylou GT1. But moving to the S1D, I find the vocals to be even better, and the highs, the peak there at the top, is now very much toned down. So definitely yes, better sounding in the S1D. So look at the overall look also. So of course you have that kind of IEM kind of look in the S1D. In the Haylou GT1, you have your typical TWS kind of look, as well as the Redmi Airdots. So definitely you're also paying for better looks, I would say, for me, frankly, with the S1D, because you have that IEM kind of design, which is of course something that you like. And yeah, white, frosted white really looks cool overall. I haven't encountered any disconnections with the S1D, which is sometimes the issue with some IEM. So that's nice that you have already a better kind of quality with the connection with the S1D compared to the previous. Actually, these three, of course, yeah, they're still in the cheap side of things in terms of the connection. They're not the same as the AirPods connection, but I didn't have any major issues compared to my other TWS. Maybe the some of my TWS that is in the channel. So these three, they're kind of can be daily drivers for you. But definitely yes, S1D is currently my favorite, best look so far and best sound as well for me. And definitely in the $20 range, this is currently my favorite. Right, so that is my quick chat on the S1D. Of course, the full review will come in the ZPOLT channel. Stay tuned for that. ZPOLT links down in the comments below. And of course, if you want to get the S1D, use my links also down in the comments below. It will help out the channel a lot. This is my favorite so far of the lot. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. And of course, subscribe for more content like this. And I'm gonna see you guys. Bye bye.